Did you know your money plant can grow into a beautiful jungle without a single handful of soil? That's right. With just a glass jar, clean water, and a few simple tricks, you can enjoy lush green vines that brighten your home while requiring very little maintenance. But here's the secret. Most people unknowingly make mistakes that cause yellow leaves, root rot, and slow growth. Today, you'll discover 5 easy but powerful tips that professional indoor gardeners use to keep their money plant thriving in water all year long. If you want faster growth, healthier roots, and vibrant green leaves, stay until the end, because tip number 5 is the biggest game changer that many beginners completely overlook. Tip 1. Choose a healthy stem cutting. Everything starts with the right cutting. Select a healthy money plant vine that has at least 4 to 6 leaves and 2 or 3 visible nodes. Nodes are the small bumps where roots naturally grow. Using clean, sharp scissors, cut just below a node to encourage quicker rooting. Remove the lower leaves that would sit underwater because submerged leaves quickly rot and contaminate the water. A fresh, disease-free cutting produces stronger roots much faster than an old or damaged vine. If possible, choose a vibrant green stem without yellow leaves or brown spots. Starting with a healthy cutting gives your money plant the best chance to grow quickly and remain beautiful for years. Tip 2. Use clean water and change it regularly. Water quality makes a huge difference. Fill a clear glass jar or bottle with clean, room temperature water, making sure only the roots and nodes remain submerged. Avoid placing leaves underwater because they decay and encourage bacteria. Replace the water every 5 to 7 days to keep it fresh and oxygen-rich. Dirty water contains bacteria that can cause root rot and unpleasant odors. While changing the water, gently rinse the roots and wash the container to remove algae buildup. If your tap water contains a lot of chlorine, let it sit overnight before using it. Fresh, clean water keeps your money plant healthy, vibrant, and continuously producing new roots and leaves. Tip 3. Give bright, indirect light. Light is one of the biggest secrets to growing a thriving money plant in water. Place your plant near a bright window where it receives plenty of indirect sunlight throughout the day. Morning sunlight is usually gentle enough, but avoid harsh afternoon rays that can scorch the leaves and heat the water too much. Too little light causes slow growth, smaller leaves, and long, weak vines. If your room doesn't receive much natural light, you can also use a full-spectrum LED grow light for several hours daily. With proper lighting, your money plant develops lush foliage, stronger stems, and vibrant green leaves that make your home look fresh and lively. Tip 4. Feed your plant carefully. Although money plants can survive in plain water for a while, they eventually need nutrients to continue growing vigorously. Add a few drops of liquid hydroponic fertilizer or balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer diluted to 1/4 strength once every 4 to 6 weeks. Never add too much fertilizer because excessive nutrients can burn the roots and damage the plant. If you notice white deposits inside the jar, rinse the roots thoroughly and replace the water completely. Feeding your plant sparingly provides essential minerals that encourage larger leaves, longer vines, and healthier root systems without overwhelming the delicate roots growing in water. Tip 5. Keep the roots healthy and prune regularly. Healthy roots are the foundation of a thriving money plant. Every couple of weeks, inspect the roots carefully. Healthy roots are white or light tan and feel firm. Trim away any black, mushy, or rotten roots using sterilized scissors. At the same time, prune long vines just above a leaf node to encourage branching and create a fuller, bushier plant. Regular pruning also removes weak or damaged leaves, allowing the plant to focus its energy on healthy new growth. Cleaning the roots, trimming unhealthy sections, and shaping the vines helps your money plant stay attractive, vigorous, and capable of producing beautiful new leaves throughout the year. Growing a money plant in water is surprisingly easy when you follow these 5 simple tips. Start with a healthy cutting. Keep the water fresh. Provide bright, indirect light. Feed the plant lightly, and maintain healthy roots through regular pruning. These small habits can transform an ordinary cutting into a lush, indoor vine that adds beauty and freshness to any room. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy plant care guides, indoor gardening tips, and natural growing secrets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.